Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to reverse a video in Capcut. First of all, you can open the Capcut application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply tap on new project, and here you can just simply select the video that you want to reverse. I can select this video. After selecting the video, you can now tap on add one at the bottom right corner of the screen, and after this you can just simply tap on the video timeline, and after this you can just simply swipe right at the last of the screen. Swipe right, and here you can see the option reverse. Tap on reverse, and after this the video is reversed on CapCut. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.